Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to create a discount code in Grigora e-commerce. Let's understand how to set this up, step by step. First, head over to your Grigora site dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Commerce and then select Discounts. You will see a page with an option that says Create Your First Code. Click on it. Now, enter your desired code name in the code field. Next, choose the discount type. You can select from options like a percentage off, a fixed amount off, or free shipping. Depending on your selection, fill in the percent off or fixed amount value. You can also set a minimum subtotal that customers must reach to use the code. If you want to limit how many times the code can be used, enter a number in the maximum redemptions field. To set an expiration date, click on Expires At and choose your date. Finally, under Applies To, you can choose to apply this discount to all products or select specific products. Once you're done configuring, click on Save Settings. Your coupon code is now created. If you want to add more codes, you can click on New Code. And if you ever need to disable an existing code, simply click on the toggle button next to it and then click Save Settings. When we visit the store and select any product to check out, we can see that the code is applied successfully. That's it! See you in the next one!